Now move toward the and or operator in MongoDB. If you have more than one condition and you want to check multiple conditions, and if all the conditions satisfied, then only you want to fetch the data, then this and operator is for you. So now let's see the syntax of and operator. As we have already seen, the find method in MongoDB is expecting a JSON, and within this JSON you need to provide the logic for search. So now if you are using the and, you need to provide the and operator at the initial label $and colon. Within $and you need to provide a JSON array where there will be multiple and conditions as a form of JSON separated by commas. You can have multiple and conditions. So for now, I'll have only two conditions just for the simple example. So what it means is we are checking two conditions within this JSON array as an AND. So first condition and second condition, if matched, then only data will appear. So let's see that. Now let's check. I want to check an employee whose salary is equal to 10,000 and gender is male. So now I have applied two conditions. One is salary is 10,000 and gender is male. In order to see the record in organized manner, let's go for pretty and see the record. So we have a single employee having salary 10,000 and gender as male. So this is what the AND operator does. It checks both the conditions. If both conditions satisfied, then only the data appears. What if I want to write the OR query? Same way, db dot employee dot find, the brackets for find will have a JSON input for it. $or is for the OR operation, which will expect a JSON array. So JSON array we write within square bracket. This JSON array will have first JSON and second JSON for the condition, which will be checked as an OR. So first condition is, let's say salary equals to 10,000 and gender equals to male. So it will search all the records having salary 10,000 and all the records having gender male, since the condition is OR. Let's go for pretty and see the result. Now we'll get the records with salary 10,000 as well as the gender male. Apart from and OR, there are more logical query operators available in MongoDB like not and nor. So it works exactly the same. The binary charts work for the binary number system. So you can work with the $not and $nor operators as well. So stay tuned for more sessions. Thanks.